Alright, Crimson Wetlands. What do we got in here? Ooh, flamingo! Here we go. Oh Mel, check it out. Here we go. Here we go, guys. We've made it to this is the big area. This is where the flamingos from the old bird zoo now came to this new one. And apparently moving all these birds, the flamingos, took about 2 weeks. Look at it. That is insane. Wow. Crazy. Let's have a look at this. Look at them everywhere now, just flying around. Get your camera going on this one, Mal. Yes. Worth the wait. Worth the wait. Beautiful day. Whoa. Look at that. Big waterfall. So if you guys remember, there's a program called CNA, and they had a documentary about how they moved the park from one spot to another here in Singapore. And it's a great read, great watch. You guys would have loved it. It just showed you about how hard it was to tackle all these type of birds and move them back into this whole new zoo. Full on, I can't believe it, it was amazing. Look at them all up here. Crazy. Look at them all in the tree and everything. Over there. Whoa. Which way do we go? This way, take a photo, take a selfie. Look at this waterfall. This is the big documentary that we watched. And we're here. Crazy. Look at that, eh? Where would you rather be? Keep travelling. Wow. Look at it. That is insane. Birds up there in the holes. Look at it. How good. That is so cool. I was wondering when we were going to meet the big waterfall. Look at that. Look at that. That is sick. Rock on there. There we go. We'll get up and close with them. Oh, look in the water. Oh, it's cool. Literally touching distance. All this is just big open area. at them. Look at that. Where would you rather be, eh? And look at these ones now. Hey buddy. That is so cool. Hi buddy. Boom, waterfall. There he's over there. Look at that. Look at that. Hey? Where would you rather be? Man, I really should have got some glasses, but hey, when in Rome. Hope you guys are loving the video. Like I said, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Wow. What do we got over here? Ducks. Whoa. It's everywhere, man. Everywhere. Look at that. That is insane. Damn, I hope you guys are loving this. That is cool, that is insane. That's what you travel for. See these beautiful parks around the world, especially in Southeast Asia. Oh, they're gorgeous.
Many are now critically endangered, and conservation efforts from all over the world will be the only way to save them from extinction. So let us all take a moment and show our appreciation to these amazing birds for keeping our environment safe and clean. Let's give them a big round of applause.
They are a part of our ecosystem, a part of our planet. And if we were to lose them, we would be losing a part of our family.
And having said that, let us all learn to live in harmony with all predators on wings.
Thank you very much for joining us here this afternoon. If you'd like to learn more about parrots, pelicans, or flamingos, do head back here at the Sky Amphitheatre at 5 p.m. for the Wings of the World presentation. Once again, 5 p.m. right here at the Sky Amphitheatre for the Wings of the World presentation. We hope you have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you and bye-bye.
Alright, now we're at Wings of Asia. There we go.
Noong time ako, 17th century, kami na dito ganun.
What do we got here? Yeah. Whoa, this is cool. Wings of Asia. Wings of Asia. Check all these plants out, Mel. Whoa. There's a little bird down there. That's cool. Now, did you see the waterfall? The music? Huh? Whoa. What's up, buddies? Whoa. This is that little circle thing. It was actually just a staircase up. Look at that. I hope you guys are loving this so far. Whoa. What is that? It's sick. That's so cool. So this one walks, does a cut, and we can just come back, eh? I want to get that waterfall in. This one does this little thing, and then we can just come back and go. Yeah. What's up, buddy? Where you going? Ooh. It's on this road, mate. What's your walk? Oh, look at that one in there. See that blue one? Big bird there?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you can get it. How cool is this place? I say we've done about close to 13,000 steps, and the park's, we're about 70% through the park. Tell you what, if you want to come here, you got to do it. Put it on your bucket list. You will not be disappointed. Look at that, beautiful. Birds here.
So this guy bites, so I don't know. Hi, sorry, not supposed to.
Oh, sorry.
Not supposed, because they might fly away, so you just want to give them some space.
My bad,
Yeah.
my bad.
Yeah.
Ready? Don't go too close to the birds, Billy got told off. This is just massive, man. Look at them up here, guys. Ooh, what's up there? Beautiful. All right, Hearts of Africa. Here we go. I think it's the last little thing to see, apart from level 2. I don't know what we're going to see here, huh? I like how every little area that we draw on is just it's crazy. And again, these are the birds that are here. Hard to see. Oh, got some movement down here, Mel. There's some movement. Look at the size of these. Get a little cover there, drinking some water. where are you going? Yuan Tower.
Penguin ko?
Go on this way, Mel. Yuan Tower.
Yeah, must have those. You should have is me. What did you tell me? Photo padwa de. That's what I said.
That's cool. Go check the black one out. Yeah, they're cool. The viewing tower. Hey, buddy. Whose size is that hibiscus? Wow, there's the entry over there. Oh. That's cool. Look at them, that one's in there. Look at the nest, that's crazy. That's cool. Little rooftop walk. What's up, buddy? Made it to the top, Mel. There's Mel, give a wave. Hello. Do a little 360. God, I love this outdoor activity stuff. This size that hibiscus. Oh, look at them down here, Mel. That's cool. You see them down there? Look at those ones.
Around here. It's hard enough to get down, let alone here.
Oh yeah, I know. Oh yeah. Oh, that's where we were, so we've done that. We've done it right. And that takes us back to the top. Boom. Look at him up there. Wings of Asia.